Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about planet of luxury, planet of beauty, planet of charming, planet of luxury life, money, Venus. Going to change our sign from Capricorn to Aquarius. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March 2021, Venus transit in Aquarius sign in Kalpurash chart in 11th house. Don't forget Kalpurash horoscope. When you are going to any prediction or when you are going to check any horoscope, must analyze first Kalpurash horoscope planetary position. This is the first formula to learn astrology. So guys, you know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for Aries ascendant. Aries ascendant being a lot of your 2nd and 7th house, Venus transit in your 11th house. You will blessed with a lot of profit. You will blessed with a lot of success. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March 2021, if you are unemployed, you will get job. Your business is going to give a lot of profit. Your daily income will rise. Your source of earning will develop. Your relationship will be turned in a long-lasting relationship like marriage. Your spouse will help you. Your friends will help you. Your female friends will help you. Venus being a second lord transit in your 11th house is create a dhan yoga. If second lord is in 11th house in transit, you will blessed with a lot of success. If you have a Venus Antardasha, if you have a Venus Mahadasha, these 25 days, near about 25 days will give you a lot of strength, will give you a lot of money, will give you a lot of positive energy, will give you new contacts. You will get in touch with higher authority and you will get very good results from higher authority. If you are willing to apply any government loan, then your loan will be approved because your 7th lord, your 2nd lord transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of gains and 7th house is a house of daily income, business partnership. Some new business partnership will enter in your life. And this is a very ultimate time for you, Aries. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, Venus transit being your 1st house lord and 6th house lord transit in your 10th house, Karam Bhav. You will get name, fame at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy all around success. This whole time from 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March 2021, you will be sky high and top. Your all goals will be complete. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If you are already in job, your seniors will be very happy from your performance and there is a strong chances you may get promoted. Your salary will rise. You will enjoy all around success and comforts. Your source of earning will develop. Your savings will rise. 10th house, Karma Bhav. Your ascendant lord transit in your Karma Bhav. You will enjoy good name, fame, very good time with your juniors, seniors and your colleagues. This whole time will brings a lot of positivity in your life. Your professional life will be sky high. If you have a Venus Mahadasha, if you have a Saturn Mahadasha, if you have any type of Mercury Mahadasha or Venus Antardasha or Venus Mahadasha, you will definitely rock. Some new business deals will make you happy. Some new business opportunities will come in your way and you must click that opportunities because this is the ultimate time to investing your money somewhere. Taurus, don't miss the opportunities because this time never come back when your ascendant lord transit in your 10th house, in your professional house. So your profession will shine during this time. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants being your 5th house lord, Venus transit in your 9th house. 5th lord is 5th house, is a 5th house, like 5th lord transit in your 9th house, which is 5th from 5th. You will get blessed with the old investment in stock market. This is a good time when you will see a positive change in your good fortune. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March 2021, you will feel much relaxed and better because good fortune is in your favor. You will enjoy very good success. You will enjoy very good name and fame. Your father will support you. Blessings of your father will make your life easy. You give some time to your spouse and loved one. The more you give respect to your spouse, the more your spouse will give you respect and regard. Gemini, You are already suffering. Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house. You are not in a well position. But this more than 25 days will be a change, biggest game changer for you. Your whole game will be changed. Your whole pending work will click and you will enjoy very good comfort, relax and luxurious life, and some unexpected money will make you happy. Your savings will rise. Your good fortune is in your favor. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Gemini, you just need to perform your best and put your 100% best. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, Venus transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful. Some skin related trouble will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable. If you are going for marriage, then don't go during this time from 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March. This is not very productive time for marriage. This is not very productive time to investing your money in anywhere. You need to be careful about your stomach related trouble will irritate you. Don't eat market food or junk food or oily food. Try to eat homemade food and try to eat less food. Cancer, you just need to be patient. Don't use any wrong word in front of your spouse. Try to give some respect. Try to give some regard and respect to your spouse, to your loved one. Otherwise, your relationship will undershadow. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, Venus transit in your 7th house. This is very good transit for you. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 17th March 2021, you will blessed with a lot of money. You will blessed with a new business partner. Your daily income will rise. You will enjoy all around success. Your health will fine. You will enjoy very good time with a spouse or loved one. You will spend some quality time with your spouse or loved one. Some new business partner will enter in your life and he will give you very good advice, and that advice will be a biggest game changer for you. Your source of earning will develop, your savings will rise and your business will flourish. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. There is strong chances you may start something far away place from where you are living. Leo, ultimate time for you when Venus transit in your Saptam Bhav, 7th house. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants, Venus transit in your 6th house. Be careful. Unexpected money, unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your unexpected expenditures will be unbalanced. You are not in a comfort zone. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed because your Venus is in 6th house. But there is a strong chances of foreign activities will make you happy, or some foreign partnerships will make you happy, because Venus 7th aspect is on your 12th house, which will give you a lot of success. If you are willing to start something in foreign land, which is far away place from your country, you will definitely get a lot of success. And this is a very good time from 21st of February 2021 to 17th March 2021. You must start something new, far away place from your land. There is strong chances for new partnership. Unemployed people may get job. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants from 21st of February 2021 to 17th March 2021. Ascendants Lord transit in the 5th house. If you are in entertainment industry, if you are in media industry, if you are journalist, you will blessed with a lot of money. Your creativity will create magic at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. Taurus, your Ascendants Lord transit in your 5th house. Your family, your friends will support you. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, that relationship will turn in a marriage, because your 1st house Lord transit in your 5th house. Some unexpected money, some unexpected gains will make you happy. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy all around success. This whole time will bring a lot of positivity. You will feel much relaxed, comfort and better, because your Ascendants Lord is in Trikona Bhav. Enjoy this positive event from 21st of Feb to 17th March 2021. You will get a lot of business opportunities and you must start your own business. This is the ultimate time. Let's talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, Venus being a lord of your 12th or 7th house, transit in your 4th house. You may buy a new vehicle. You may invest your money in real estate. You may, during this time, from 21st of February 2021 to 17th March 2021, you may renovate your home. You may spend your money on luxurious items. You may buy a new car or new property, or you may renovate your home, and some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Don't spend extra money without any reason. But as per dynamics, because Jupiter Saturn is also in your third house in Upchaya Bhav, it will give you a lot of willpower, strong willpower and courage. And during this period, when Venus transit in fourth house, your confidence level will be sky high, and you will do something big related to your renovation, related to your property investment, related to your vehicle investment. So whatever you do, do with a wonderful planning. Don't spend your money without any reason. Keep your money in your savings or FDs. It will help you in future. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Venus transit in your third house and aspecting is on your ninth house. It will give you fantastic results. Your good fortune is in your favor, and you will feel much relax and comfort. This whole time from 21st of February 2021 to 17th March 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comfort, peace of mind, success, and your health will fine. You will enjoy all around success. Your salary will rise. You will get promoted. If you are in IT industry or entertainment industry, or if you are doing any type of business which is related to computer accessories, you will definitely get very good profit. Sagittarius, you just put your efforts. Perform your best, be honest. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, and you may get some extra source of earning as a commission, because your Venus is in your third house and aspecting is on your ninth house. Bhagya ke ghar pe Shukra ki drishti, it will give you very fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Venus transit in your second house. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy all around success. If you are living in joint family, your family will support you. You will spend very good time with your parents. You will spend very good time with your brothers, sisters. You may buy some branded clothes. You may spend your money on luxurious items. Venus is in second house is very comfortable, because in Kalpurush Kundli, Venus is very comfortable. This is own house of Venus in Kalpurush chart. So Capricorn ascendants, these days from 21st of Feb to 17th March 2021, you will definitely feel much relaxed and better, and you will spend very good time with your loved one, with your family and friends. Your savings will rise, your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy all around success. But you need to be careful. Saturn transit in your first house. Your marriage life, your love life, your business is a focus from target from Saturn. So try to perform your best. Don't invest your money anywhere. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Venus transit in your first house. You will be blessed with a lot of money. You will be blessed with a lot of gain through stock market. You will be blessed with a lot of monetary gains from your old investments. From 21st of Feb to 17th March 2021, you will enjoy all around success. You will spend very good time with your wife, with your spouse, and you will spend some quality time with your loved one. Your relationship may convert in marriage. Your love relationship or living relationship may convert in marriage. This whole time brings a lot of happiness, a lot of positivity, a lot of peace of mind, a lot of success is there. Your self-respect will increase. You will enjoy very good energy. This whole time, Aquarius, you will be sky high and top, and your all desires will be fulfilled, and your Venus transit in your ascendant. Your good fortune is in your favor. But you need to be careful, because Jupiter Saturn is in your 12th house. Don't show your trust on stranger. Try to pay your bill and taxes on time. Don't be a part of any argument, otherwise you will be top and you will enjoy all around success during this Venus transit in your first house. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Venus transit in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you related to your journey. You may go for some holidays with your family and friend. You may spend some time with your family and friend, and you may spend some extra money in your trip. Don't try to overspend your money on vacations. You may go to vacation, but plan your vacation and keep your savings in your bank. It will be help you in future, and you may buy some real estate or some new vehicle. 12th house Venus will give you a lot of luxury. You will spend very good time with your spouse. You will spend very good time with your loved one. If you are unmarried, you may get new marriage proposal, because Venus transit in your 12th house. It will be a fantastic transit for you. You will be blessed with a lot of success, peace of mind, happiness, gains. Thank you for watching my video. I am looking forward to your great success and praying for your happy life. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.